Hello everyone. In this video, I will be discussing the kind of problem that most of the students more often face. They research and then they complete their project, and finally what happens? The laptop defuncted or crashed. And in some of the cases, data cannot be recovered. So your hard work, your all the work of say 15 days or 20 days or even a month, that wasted. Okay, and in all of the cases, students are not able to submit their projects on time. But if you pay a little attention to this video, no more this problem you will face in your life, as that can be resolved very easily. In fact, most of the works of a student is being done by using MS Office Word or and by MS Office Excel or MS Office PowerPoint. So, in this video, I will suggest you to use alternate of MS Office, and also I will explain how to use that. Okay, so let's begin with the alternate mode of using MS Office Word. As you can see my screen, now if you follow my cursor, that it is going towards the right top corner, then you can see here 9 dots. What all you need to do is just click on this 9 dots. Once you click on this 9 dots, you will get this much options. Okay, so now you have to click on this drive. This is Google Drive. Okay, so now you need to click on this. Once you click, another window will open, and here you will see, like, as you can see that whatever the works I have done, that is stored here. But anyway, you don't pay attention on these things, rather you just follow my cursor. It is going towards the left top corner, and there is a button that is new, is plus sign. Okay, so now click on this. You will get this much options here: Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, isn't it? Even more. So see how many options are there. So you don't need to pay attention on all, rather you need to focus on all these three, because these three are something like such kind of software that you need more often, especially while making your project. Okay, so I will explain that one by one. So let's start with Google Docs. I click on Google Docs, another window opened, and see, as you can see the format, the view, it is just like your MS Office Word. Whatever the things you do on your MS Office Word, you can do here. Okay, all the options. For example, if I am writing something, say Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, etc., etc. So here you can type anything. You can not only type, rather you can insert images, you can insert chart, diagram, or anything. For insert, you can see that here is the insert option. I will go images, see, upload from computer, all the options are there. Photos, so from anywhere I can take it, from computer or from photos. So I click on the photos. Okay, let's see how many photos we have here. So this photo, I click here, it is selected. Now insert. Okay, so see, picture came here. So it is just like your MS Office Word. Whatever the things you can do there, you can do here as well, isn't it? So that's the beauty of this Google Doc. Now If you want to insert, say, table, you can do like that as well. Insert, here the option is insert table. You can choose. See, table is there. Okay. If you want to highlight the table or color the things, you have the option. So you can do like this by using, oh, you can choose from here any color and your border line just changed. Okay, if you want to fill inside the color, then you need to choose this option, background color, and then here you can put any color inside. See, okay, so you have all the options. It's not like that you have limited options. Whatever the things you are required to be done in your project or for your project, it is available here. Okay, once you have completed this, do not forget to save. See, here it is written see, it is taken automatically, Indian Constitution. So even you don't need to write down, if you, until unless you want to change the name. So it has taken from here. From here it has taken the as Word does. Okay, so now it is saved. For this you don't need to save anything. However, before starting anything, you can change your name, or you need to put the name first. Though it, as you have seen, that it has taken automatically, but for your security purpose, you should do like that on your own. Okay, so it is done. Now you can see your Word file is ready. Now we will share some more facts about this. If you want to bold it, you can do this. See, you can increase the font size, you can centralize this, you can change the color. So you can underline this, italic, whatever you want, you can do this. You can hyperlink this. This option is something like inserting link and doing all those things. Insert image option is already here as well, so from here you can also insert the image. Apart from that, now come back to this edit option. You can see all those options, view, print layout, how it will show you in the print layout. You can see like this, and again format, you can change the thing. You can change your format, the alignment, and all, everything is there. Okay, I won't be focusing on each point in detail, but everything is there. I'm just showing you, and you can, based on your requirement, you can use all these options, tools, a spelling and grammar, word count, or everything is there. That whatever you get in your MS Office Word, add-ons, that is another additional features. So anyway, all these are the features you can see here. But now the important point that you need to focus on, share. If you click on file, the important option, that is share. If you click on the share, see, this window will open. Now just put the email ID of any of the persons whom you want to share that. So his or her email ID put here, and you can share with him or her, so that he or she can see your project online. Okay, so again I will be clicking on the file only. New, you can open the new window or anything, but that option is there. Just keep in mind, open, make a copy. If you make a copy, it will create the another copy of the same file. Okay, so this option is there. Downloads, so if you want to download it, it will in the format as you get in the Word format. So similarly here you will get the Word format. So if I click on the Microsoft Word, you can see what happens. See, here it is downloaded. Now I open this file. As you can see here, your Word file is also ready, isn't it? So with one command, your Word file is also ready here. Okay, now I cut this. Okay, So that is the Word file downloading option. Now again I click on file, email as attachment, so you can email it, as you can also use share. But if you want to not to share this file, rather you want to send it as an attachment, then you can do it from here. Make available offline. So when you click on this, then this file you can access offline as well. As means if you don't have the internet connection, even then you can access that. Okay, so there are so many options you can see here, isn't it? So whatever you want to do, you can do it. By the time, I believe you must understood that you have all the options. Okay, so this is the story of Google Doc. Okay, however, I understand that in order to work on Google Doc, you guys need consistent internet connection, because if your internet connection disrupts, then you might not able to save your file. Okay, so that problem is there. So in order to resolve that problem, you can use some other way. Say if you don't have the broadband connection or only mobile connection, so you're not able to work online, because working on Google Doc, it is online work, means you need internet connection consistently. Okay, so what you can do in such a condition, you work on your Word and then copy from there. Okay, as you can see the Word file here. So say you worked here, means on Word. Now what you can do, you can give the command Control A and Control C, and then come on Google Doc, say here. So here give the command Control V. See, though the image it didn't take all along. So for the image, what we need to do, we need to again copy it separately, and then I will give the command Control V here. Okay, so image came. See, so like this. So you can do anything or the way you feel comfortable. Okay, so like this you can do. So if you don't have the internet connection, something like with high speed or permanent, if it is coming and going, so in that case you obviously work on MS Office Word, but as on certain interval, not to think like that. First you will complete the project and then you will copy and paste here, then it is disastrous, because your system anytime can get crashed. So after certain interval, maybe after 5 pages or 10 pages, after 1 hour or 2 hours, you need to copy that and paste here. Okay, so that at least you can save. Otherwise, once your system gone, it is gone. Okay, now just focus on what are the advantages, so that you can convince yourself why you should work on Google Doc instead of MS Office Word. So the first advantage that you can see here, your work is permanently saved here. So there is no fear of system crash or defuncted. Okay, so it is once saved permanently. The second benefit, that you don't need to carry your cell phone or your system in order to show your work. Okay, so if you worked in your system, or even these days people can work in his or her cell phone, but you don't need to always carry to show your work. You can access your work from any place in any system. Okay, there is no restrictions. Since it is on wave, so you can access anytime, anywhere, in any system. What all you need is a system with internet connection. That's it. And the third advantage, that is the biggest advantage, of course, for the students, they can submit their work on time. Okay, otherwise many times many students complain that their system crashed, so they're not able to submit their project and all. But that problem will be resolved if you start working on Google Doc. Last but not the least, all such services are available free of cost. You don't need to pay anything to use such Google Doc software. Okay, what all you need is a Gmail account. That's it. Hope you understood something new, or even then you understood, or maybe more attentive from now onwards to work on Google Doc instead of MS Office Word, so that you can save your project permanently. Okay guys, in the next video I will be discussing about the Google Spreadsheet, and you can understand how to use the Google Spread. Okay, so that you can again learn something new. So in the meantime, just try this Google Doc. Wish you good luck. See you in next video.